Hey, good evening. Hi, good morning. How are you? How are you, bro? So all good, man. Where are you from, bro? This is the FunJoy Ironman Mark 42 model kit. Let's proceed with the body. And where's my body? Okay. A8. Okay, this one. Back. Flaps. Okay. Where's the flaps? Okay. Back flaps. How do you insert this? Yes. Hi, uy, ang ganda. Nakita mo na.
Nakita ko na.
Nakita mo na. Yun. Ayan. Okay. Uy, nice. India, how are you, bro? Okay. Back flaps. This is the head. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Back flap. Tapos, okay, middle. Where's the chest? Chest. Here's the chest. Okay. Again, thank you. Uy, LED. May LED siya. Sana yung LED? Saan yung power nito? Where's the power button?
Mayon? Wala. Mga nakasabi. Ano siya nakasabi?
Ayun, hop po.
Ayun po po.
Nasa table.
Ayun, nasa table po. Nasa ibabaw ng tao.
Yan.
Get your stuff. Yan din.
Saan kaya yung button nito? May LED daw. Saan kaya yan?
So,
Ayun o. Sige, ito muna. Okay. Ay, baliktad. Okay. 1/10 scale. Okay. I'm fine, bro. Seeing your work is pretty amazing. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Shivansh Panwar. Greetings from Manila, Philippines, bro. I hope you're having a great time there. Okay. Alright, and then back. Okay, back. Okay, back. And then this one. Shoulder pads. Is this right? No, wrong. Okay. Alright, there you go. And then this is much larger than the ZD toys. Thank you very much, Laro Anand. What time is it there right now? Here it's 11:30. Oh, here it's around. What time is it? 1:53 in the morning, bro. Okay, chest. Let's do the chest. Come on, let's do this. Oh, A26. Where's the LED? Okay. Is it inverted? Is the I think it's Mark 42 LED. Mark 42. Let's search for the Mark 42. Mark 42 arc reactor. Is it inverted triangle? Yep. Yes. Inverted triangle. How do you insert that? Can you put that into place? How do you keep that into place? Ah, there you go. There's a knob. There's a peg. Okay, can we push this? Can we? Alright. Push it. Push. Alright. Alright, there's a chest. There's the flaps. Okay. And here's the head. Head, we'll put it here. Alright. Next. We need B23. Where's B23? Where's B23? Yes, B23? Yes. B17. Do you have the FunJoy? B23. Okay. B17, B18. Oh, there you go. I need this. There's the numbers. How do you know? Dapat merong numbers dito para malaman natin kung saan. Like 17. 18. 23. 28. This is 28. It's 29. It's 29. Okay, 29. Hindi mahirap to. Okay, 29. Alright, there you go. Then close it. Alright, nice. Done. A11. It was A11. A11. This one is A11. A11, A12. Alright, nice. We're done. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put it here. Alright, we're done with that. Okay, nice. Boom, Iron Man. Laki. Tapos yung B... ito. B12. 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 There's B12. Okay? There's B12. And there you go. B12. B11. B12, B11. Something like this. Okay. Need joints. B34. Who's 34? 34. 34 and 38. 34 and 38. Okay. There you go. 34. Like this. Like this. And 38. Okay. Alright, done. Uy, Laruanan. Ayun, thank you very much, Laruanan, for sending this for unboxing, review, and customization. And pre-built na pala to, sir. Kaya mas madali siyang gawin. Okay, so mas madali siyang i-build. And thank you very much, Laruanan, for sponsoring yung mga projects natin, for sponsoring this video, for sponsoring this live. Okay. Ay, teka. Ano ba pala? Ito. Yung kanyang crotch piece. Okay. This one, go here. Alright. And this one, go here. Alright, nice. Okay. Tapos, punta siya dito. Tama ba? Tama ba yung ginawa ko? So, ano yung harap? Mali ata. Kaya mali ata. Okay, this one. Okay. Dapat. Ito. Okay. Tingnan natin kung tama. Okay, nice. Ayan, tama na. Okay, nice. So, mas malaki siya kaysa sa ZD Toys. Yan. Ganda nito, ah. Okay. Tapos, arms. Okay, malapit tayo matapos. Arms na lang. Okay, arms. We need C5, C2. Shoulders muna pala. C5, C2. Where's that? Where's the C5, C2? Dito. Medyo mahirap lang yung numbering, no? Kasi wala dito number sa... Wala. dapat pag nagbi-build kayo, andito kasi yung number sa cover, sa tray cover. Kaya, huwag niyong itatapon to, kaya huwag niyo munang tatanggalin yung mga pieces dun sa tray. Kasi ito yung magiging guide nyo. Okay, C5 or C5. This one. C5, okay. And then C2. Sobrang enjoy naman ng ganito. Nakaka-relax lang din. Okay, C5, C2, okay. That's it. Ganun lang kadali. Ganun lang kadali yung yung pagbibuild. C5, C2. And tapos, sa opposite side, build na natin yung kabilang side. Okay? Yung C5, C2, okay, ganito lang. Yan. Okay? C5, C2, tapos B3, 5. So, ito yung B, A, tsaka C. B3, 5, nasa na yun? B3, 5. Mahirap lang. B3, 5. This one. B3, 5. Siyempre, kukunin ko na rin yung kabilang corner. 3, 5, 3, 1. Nasa yung 3, 1? 3, 1. Okay. 3, 1. 3, 2. Nasa yung 3, 2. 3, 1, 3, 2. B2, 7. Ito kapareho na ito eh. Pareho lang. Sa kabilang side na to ah. Left and right na kasi tayo. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Yan. Tapos B27. Where's 27? Okay, this one. Okay. Tapos buuin na natin. Okay, 3, 5. Like this. Okay, tapos 3, 1. Hmm. 3, 1. Okay. Iipitin. May mga ipit na magaganap dito. Okay. Ano ba to? Ano ba yung mga ipitan niya ito? Ano ito ba yung itsura niya? Ito. Ganito. Okay. Okay, kakabit ko muna to. Okay, something like that. Okay. Joints. Tapos dito. Okay, sige game. Tapos ito. Kabila. Okay, may groove naman pala. Okay. Okay. Kailangan siguro ilapag. Hindi. Okay, ayun. Okay. So, dito, sa arm, okay, tama naman to. Teka lang ha, check ko lang ha. Right. Tama ba to? Okay. Ayan. Nakabit ko na. Okay. Tapos sa kabila, ganun din. Left. Okay. Ano to? Okay. Medyo nakakalito lang tong arms ah. Wait lang ah. No, ayun naman pala. Yung kabila yung mayroong groove. Ayan, papakahirap tayo. Yun. Mas madali. Ayan, yung joint nag-work na. Ayan. Tapos itong part na to, okay. Ayan, ito left and right. Again, next. D30, sine 30. Okay, ito 30. Anong part yun? Okay, 30. Tulad lang. Okay, 30. Left and right na to sabay 30 tsaka 22. Ano 22? Wait, 22. 22, come on, let's go. Yun. 22. Okay. Huwag na lang wawala yung yung mga tray covers. Kasi nandun yung mga numbers. Okay, dito. Okay, dala Paano ba yun? Ano sabi dun? 30, okay, ipit pa rito, ipit. Tama ba to? Sa harap? Sa kalikod? Tama ba yun? Naiikot ba yun? Ay, hindi na naiikot. Okay, tama naman. Okay. Ito na yung arms. Okay, go-work na siya. Uy, nice. Ratchet pala to eh. Parang ratchet yung joint niya. Okay. Tapos dito, same lang. Okay. Dapat mag-snap. Okay. Next, A21. Sa A21. 21. 21. Asan 21? 21. 21. Saan 21 dito? 21. Ayun. 21. Malaki. Parang more storm.
Ay, laki! Pucha, nagulat ako. Nagulat ako.
21.
Tapos na ito mas matangkad na doon sa dati.
Cascade yung Hulkbuster eh. Yung malaki.
Pwede siya ipasok.
Oo.
That makes
21.
sense.
Tsaka 13. Okay, 13. 13. Okay, nice. Okay, 13. Sa likod. Okay. 13. Pasok na. Yan. Okay, 21. Tama ba ito? Okay. Pasok na. Alam, medyo mahirap pasok tong sa arms Tama naman to Yun. Okay, nice. Perfect fit. Okay, nice. Good job. Tapos ito sa kabila, ganun din. Okay. Wait lang Okay. Okay, testingin natin yung articulation. Okay, yun. Okay, nice. Ganda. So, meron na tayong shoulders. Hindi. Arms pala. Saan yung isa? A19 at saka 20. A19. Ito, 19. 20. Okay, tapos na sa arms. Nice. So, bilis. 20 likod, 21, ay 19 harap. 19 harap. Tama ba? Okay. Let's make it flush. Okay, flush naman. Dito lang. Okay. Tama ba yun? Tama ba yung design? Okay. Left. Tama, left to. Dapat mag-flush yun. Ay, mali. Tama ba? Tama pala. Okay, kabit mo na yung shoulders. Shoulders. Tama ba yun? Okay. Okay. Set right. Tapos kamay. C28. Dito. Pwede tayong, sige, ito na lang fist na hand. Fists na lang muna tayo. Fists. Okay, tapos 39. C39 or 39. Okay. I think ito yun. Yeah, 39. Sa right. Okay, done. Okay. Ito. Okay. Alright. Okay. Kabitan natin dito sa arms. Can we move the elbows? Tanggalin muna natin itong elbows na. Okay, left. Okay. The butterfly gap. Hindi ko sure kung may butterfly joints to. Pero parang wala. Okay. Alright. Almost done. Okay. Almost done sa... So we're done with the head, the chest, the arms, shoulders, torso. Ito na lang sa baba. Okay. So malapit na tayo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng articulation dito sa hands. So, para siyang ratchet joint. Okay, next. Okay, dito naman sa legs. Okay. B15, B16. 15, 16. Okay, 15, 15, and 16. Dito ka muna dito ka muna. Okay, 15, 16. Ito, sasabay na natin. Okay, combine. Okay. This one. Same lang. Okay. Hello, Jerry. How are you, bro? This is the Funjoy Ironman Mark 42. From Ironman 3. Okay. B14, 13. 14, 13. Okay. Okay, 14, 13. Okay. 14, 13. May inner frame pa eh, no? Stig. Saan nakatapat to? Okay. Butas ba yun? Okay, nice. Butas na. Okay. Baliktad. Well, pwede namang ikutin pag nagkamali. Diba? Pwede namang i-rotate yun. Ganda. Tight. Okay. Let's na tayo. B7, B6. Ah, hindi. B4, B3. Sino yun? B4, B3. B4, B3. Combine. Combine. Okay. Tapos, kailangan natin B6, B7. B6, B7. B6, B7. B6, B7. Galing, may inner frame pa talaga eh. Tama ba to? This is right? Tama. Okay. Nakakabit to. Kabit pa to? Okay. Tapos dito. Ayun. Yan, legs. Yan, rotation. Okay. Ganda. Ganda na articulation nito. Ito naman sa kabila. Okay. 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 Okay, nice. Yun. So, dalawa na yung legs. Next. Bilis natin dito. Tapos to ngayon. C1, C3. So, yung C1, C3. Wala lang siyang numbers eh. Kaya medyo matagal eh. C1, C3. Asan yung C1? C1, C3. Okay. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Tapos 10 and 7. 10, 7. 10 and 7. Okay, nice. So, sa likod, tama ba ito? Okay, C3. Galing eh, no? May inner frame pa talaga eh. Nice. Yung flash naman. Boom. Nice. Tapos, ganda, flash. Okay, done. Next, yung part na to sa likod. Up. Let's go. Tama ba yun? Challenging to ah. Okay, tayo kumabit. Tama naman ah. Yun. Yun. Okay. It's challenging yun ah. Okay. Tapos C14. Alright. Okay, doon tayo sa legs. Sabitan natin dito. Ang laki. Parang, yun nga, 1/7 scale eh. Boom, laki na ito ah. So, mas maliit ng konti sa sa Hot Toys. Saan kaya yung switch nito? Para ma-power up yung LED. Okay, fit na lang. C16. Okay, C16. C18. C16. C18. Good. Konti na lang, yun na. Ganun. May battery. Wala ang battery. Paano pa power? Humir. Yun. Hirap suot yun ah.
Dadala kang charger, di ba?
Oo nga pala. No? Oo. Ito. Tapos C19, C29. C19.
Mag-extra tika pa, hindi na.
Di na. C19. 29. 29. Ito ba yan? Yun. Okay. Uy! Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Ganda. Una. Wow, stig. Ilang inches to? Mga 10 inches. Laki rin pala nito. Ganda oh. Mark 42 Funjoy model kit. Pwede rin daw ipasok na ano. Ano kaya yun? Magnet ba to? Ah, magnet. Yun! Napailaw natin, ma'am sir. Oh. Galing naman. Activated pa ng magnet. Putik yan. Lapit. Galing. Huwag na lang mawawala tong piece na to. Pang-activate ng lights. Putik ganda. Nalo.